Good morning. Good morning. Rosie needs a bath because she's been playing with Murphy. Look how cute Murphy is. This is Logan's dog and he has the cutest face and is just the cutest dog. They've been playing and now Rosie has slobber all over her. I know they want to play, but they're getting a little rough. So I'm holding Rosie and Murphy's following me around. Anyways, hope you're all having a good day. We're off to a good start, other than I woke up with a sore throat and head cold. So I just guess it's my turn. I did have the flu, or I don't know if I had the actual flu, but I threw up for a day. Just a day, so it was fine. Vic sent us a little care package because I'm guessing that I put it on Instagram that I was sick, and so they sent this little care package with these cough drops. They're so intense and they're working so good. So I'll probably be using those all day. I don't love to take medicine. That might be something you don't know about me, but I really, really don't. So I just try to like power through. That doesn't always work. So anyways, I'm gonna go exercise and then get on with the day. Hi, Betsy. You wanna take a bath? Look at that slobber. So funny. She loves it though. They love each other. They'll be best buddies.
Hi guys. I'm starting middle school next year. I'm in 5th grade right now. I'm just looking at some classes that I want to be doing. My number one choice is robotics. I've always been into like robots and wanting to make one. And my second one is going to be pottery, I think. Pottery, my sister did it and she said it's one of her favorite classes. And I think it'd be pretty fun to do. And number 3, my choices, is probably going to be advanced PE. That's all I have right now. But I'm looking at other ones and I'm filling out this robot design thing, and it's just asking a bunch of questions. It's like a elective class application. And if you guys don't know, I'm starting 6th grade next year, and I'm pretty excited.
Gage. How was practice?
Good.
Good. You liking lacrosse this year?
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like you know what you're doing. Like, do you feel like this year's going better because you played last year?
Yeah.
Layla. She's been whining nonstop, so that's what you've been missing out on, just so you know. Yeah, I whining. I also ate. Oh, your back hurts? My back hurts and Dad's back hurts. What's happening?
So someone might take me on the ground and I want to get up and then he tripped and landed on my back.
No way. Dang. Well, none of us will be able to walk. I don't know why my back hurts. My back has been hurting, and Casey popped my back, and it popped like 9 billion times, but my lower back hurts.
Yeah, that's all I heard.
Yeah,
I was like, I went up to go up, and then I was just
oh, gross.
And then it started hurting.
Man, darn it. Well, cool. This is what I've been up to in my office. I've been editing.
Oh yeah, I started
this video. That's the where's the thumbnail? Come on, where's the thumbnail? Why isn't it up?
I started
This video.
The vlog today, Mom.
You started it?
Yep. I started talking about in 6th grade.
Are you ready for 6th grade? What the heck? That's so crazy.
I'm not going to 6th grade.
Okay, that's fine. Stay in 5th grade.
I'll try to live for Mom. I'm just kidding.
What?
I'll sleep in every day.
You'll sleep
Like
in
I
every
did
day.
today.
Did you sleep in today? Yeah, I
Till
thought so.
8:30.
Uh-oh.
I sleep in bed.
Yeah. Go to bed earlier. Everyone needs to go to bed earlier.
I'm going to bed at 9.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Is she peeing? Look at her. In my office. We just barely took her out. I'm failing at potty training. I'm trying so hard. I did do research and they said that wiener dogs are really stubborn and hard to potty train. Like, what? No, that's not a good combination. Anyways, I've just been editing most of the day with Layla up here in my office, hanging out. But my video is almost up. This took me a long time to edit, and I knew that it would. It's like just my everyday makeup tutorial. And I'm so excited to do beauty videos and hair tutorials and crafts, and that I want to start doing that a lot more. But they take a lot of time and they don't get very many views, and I know that that's not the most important thing, obviously, but sometimes it's hard when they don't, because you like work so hard and you want them to do well, and when they don't, it's just such a bummer. But I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna keep on keeping on because I love it and it just makes me so happy. So that's really important. What'd you say?
I was just so much. I think that 12 towels.
Thanks for cleaning that. Layla, can you say hi?
Okay.
No. No, she cannot. Good morning, Winston.
Hi.
He's reading an ABC book, working on ABCs. We're just gonna make some muffins and then get off to school. The older kids are already gone. Who's ready for school? Yahoo! Layla loves school. You're gonna play with your friends? Yeah.
My book.
You're gonna read your book on the way? Good idea.
I'm trying to paste on this.
Let's go get yours, Layla. We just got new Kindles for the kids because one shattered and we only had one. I'll put it in. Let's go get yours. I think you left it in Mommy's office.
Mom, no, Mom.
Winston or Layla, can you sing? Daddy finger, where are you?
Mom,
Look at Mama. Here I am,
Mom, I'm dead.
How do you do?
Mama, my backside down. Whatever my back.
Okay. Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? I'll put it in right now. What did you want to do? Gauge your?
Mom?
Gauge your finger. There we go. Okay, find your alphabet game. Where are you going? Whoa. Okay, ready to go? Okay, let's go. Let's go get in the car. You know that the kids are home from school and the TV's on.
Well, someone's like stalking them. Watch it.
Oh my gosh, someone is like stalking them. I have to find
They're
out who
taking
it is.
pictures and posting them on Instagram.
No way.
Them like right there.
Like serious though?
Yeah.
I'm getting ready to take some pictures. You guys, I was just wanting to post a picture on Instagram. I never know what to say. I'm not good at captions. I was like second guess myself or think like, I don't know, like I'm trying to think too hard about like this really simple thing and then it's gonna sound silly and I don't know. So I haven't posted anything. I actually haven't posted for a few days. I'm so great at my job. Okay, but right now I am making a really yummy spring salad. I am going to be sharing the recipe. I'm working with Bounty paper towels, which is so awesome because I love them, and truly the only paper towels that I've used since I was first married. When we were first married, didn't have a lot of money. I used other paper towels. This is not sponsored. This is just a sponsorship on Instagram. Anyways, I bought cheaper paper towels because we didn't have much money, and I learned then that it's better just to buy better paper towels because you can reuse them. So that's what I usually do. Anyways, I'm making a fun salad and I will share the recipe on Instagram. If you're not following me, please do. And it looks so good, so I'm really excited. But I need to find all the ingredients in my pantry. Where are they? I also love using my cute bowls. You guys, I still have those cheese balls. I don't know why. I just put them up higher. Anyways, I love using these bowls. They're so pretty. I used to do a lot of cooking and treat videos, which I hope to do, like I always say. But I haven't used them for a while. I'm like obsessed with buying pretty bowls, but I especially love these ones. They're just from Hobby Lobby and they're just so cute and different. And I stocked up on them and I'm glad that I did because they don't have them anymore. I have a bunch of different prints. Cute. I also got these ones from Hobby Lobby that are so pretty. Right there. I just love Hobby Lobby, you guys know that. Okay, I'm gonna split up all my ingredients here so that everything is ready and it goes a little more smoothly. Okay, I'm so excited. You know, my kids really love salad and I try to make sure to have a salad with a lot of meals, but the other day I made a salad with berries and apples in it, and Winston loved it. It was actually from Home Chef. Winston loved it. I think he had 3 servings, which rarely happens with Winston and dinner and us cooking anything, and he just chowed down. So I'm excited for him to try this. I'm gonna be picking them up soon. So be fresh and ready for him. Do you like salads?
Yeah, depends on the flavor.
Yeah.
I usually just eat Caesar salad.
Yeah, my kids really love Caesar salad. Funny thing to me about Caesar salad is people don't know what the dressing is made out of. We went on a cruise a few years ago for Christmas, and we were having Caesar salad, and my parents, I don't know if my dad didn't, but I know for sure my mom had no idea what the dressing was made out of, and we were laughing so hard. Leave down in the comments if you know what the dressing is made out of. I made the salad. It's going to be on my Instagram. All of the yummy toppings have settled onto the bottom. Dang, there they are. There they are, hiding. So good. It's very healthy, and I feel like I could eat that whole entire bowl. It was delicious. Also, while I was, like I just did like a, what is it called? Time lapse. So it was really fast. Right before we started, my wreath fell down. Just fell right on me. It was up there with the command hook. I don't know what happened, but it fell down and hit me. But thank goodness it wasn't while we were doing it, because I had everything like ready to go. And if it would have fallen like during the time lapse, then it would have ruined everything. I'm waiting for Braylee to run down. She has a cheer performance tonight, so we're just getting her ready. Winston zonked out on the couch. Oh shoot, did I wake you up with my cough? We have to take Braylee to her cheer performance, okay? You ready? Kinda not? Just have to glue eyelashes on. I don't like that we're doing that this year, because I don't like gluing eyelashes on. Okay, let's go glue them on. Braylee and I have both had sore throats. Have you had a cough?
In the morning, like, I've not fine right now, but in the mornings I sound like I'm dying.
I feel like I'm getting a little bit sicker right now. Don't have time to be sick. Casey's gone, so I really don't have time to be sick. I don't feel like tired or like exhausted or anything like that. I just have a sore throat and I'm getting a stuffy ear, nose, and a cough. That's all. So it could be way worse. But okay, we have to hurry and glue these on. Hurry and come over here. Okay, I dropped Braylee off. We ran back to get cleaned up and get Gage because he just got back from lacrosse practice. Now we're running out the door to go watch her. Holy moly. Where's your coat? Is it in the car? Wait, no, where's your Batman? Okay, go grab it quick. Where's your coat? In the car? Yeah. I always leave their coats in the car, and I'm always like searching the house for them, but I leave them in the car on accident because I take them off when I put them in their car seats, and then I put them on the floor, and then I forget because we park in the garage, so we always just like run in, but I'm always like, where are the coats? They're always in the car. Anyways, dumb information, but there you go. Okay, let's go. We also ate a cookie, so we're all feeling like, okay, so here's the deal. I'm leaving the vlog camera here. There's supposed to be a lot of people there, and I just think it's gonna be too crazy because that's just how it goes. So I'm gonna leave the camera here. We'll be going to competition soon, and I've filmed the same routine already. So Rosie, hi, you cute girl. Look how big Rosie's getting. I noticed that, like, golly, goodness. I noticed that her puppy hair is starting to fall out, and I'm wondering if she'll be kind of gray. Oh. The next day, Grammy Sammy's here visiting, and we're painting. Wow. We had to go to Hobby Lobby, and the kids have been wanting to paint, so I got a few things for them to paint. Yeah. Layla's will never ever dry, and that's fine. We also got these little, like, I don't know what they're called. What is that paper called?
Mache, isn't it?
I don't know. Yeah. That's what it looks like. Wow, I like how you're tracing the letters. That's so good, Winston. We've been working lots on letters, huh? Gotta get your costume on here. Layla's going shirtless because of obvious reasons. She already has painted her chest.
Grandma is not.
Yeah. So these were on sale. Winston really wanted a rhino. I don't know if anyone remembers, but we've already painted rhinos. And then I saw this for Gager. I thought he would like that. So these were all on sale. If your kids like stuff like that. I didn't get one for Braylee.
I wanted one that said Baby Princess.
Baby Princess.
Was it like My Little Princess or something?
I have no idea. But I did get lots of eggs, so you can paint an egg if you want. But guess what? She doesn't want to because she wants to hang out with her friends.
Okay, so everybody has been talking to me about my new shoes.
Who has?
like all the kids at school. So I wanted to recommend them.
Well, can you jump in them? Let's see. Can you dance in them? Can you, oh, look at all these things you can do in them. Anyways, we're doing grandma's hair. So let's, guess what I always do? I always say, I'm doing my mom's hair, and then I never finish the vlog. So this is a before. We've been doing like a red and a purple. We cut it last time. Are you gonna cut it anymore? Do you like this?
A little bit, I think.
I love my mom's hair shorter. I also really want to cut mine, so I'm living through you until I can get in to get my hair done. Anyways, we're going to change the color up a little bit. Layla's hair was so cute earlier. I had a little scrunchie with a bow, but that's long gone by now. We added some lighter pieces to my mom's hair. This light is really, really yellowy, so it's hard to see like the true color, but it turned out really pretty. So we did like a purpley red and a brown and some blonde pieces and just weaved them through. So pretty. So this is it straight. I'm just plugged in this rod, and I'm using like the medium size. And also there's paint everywhere, it's fine. But we're gonna curl her hair with this. Kayli's the rod. It got these curls and I love them. What do you guys think? I'll show you the back. Isn't that cute? That makes me want to cut my hair. Actually, I tried to make an appointment to get my hair cut and I couldn't get in. Very cute. Very cute face, Layla.
Cuter than grandma's, yeah.